In this video I will show you how you can make $100 to $200 a day with Amazon without any investment. Okay, I personally using this method from a long time and it's absolutely a passive income. I will teach you step by step everything from beginning to end. Okay, I cannot teach you everything in a single video. If you want to learn how to make an online business, so then please hit the first link below in the description. It is a 4-day free training on how to start your own online business if you are completely new. Okay, 100% free download, copy and paste business. Get instant access by entering your name and email. Training is a 4-day training taught by this man, Franklin Hatchett. He is an online internet marketing guru and entrepreneur. The training is completely free and it's highly valuable. Please check out the link. Okay, come to the point. How you can make $100 to $200 a day with Amazon without investing. First thing you have to do, you have to go to the kdp.amazon.com. This is a website where you can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. The traditional way to the publishing is if you have a book, you will go to the publisher and you have to pay the upfront cost, and you can upload how many books you want to upload. It's totally free. Okay, I will suggest you to choose the 3 niches: how to make money online business. Number 1 is online business, number 2 is health and fitness, and number 3 self-help. Okay, then the next step is how you can get the books. Go to the fiverr.com and hit the search HIGH, high quality 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 self help PLR books. Okay, just search this phrase and see what the results comes. Okay, here are the PLR books. Okay, PLR, if you don't know what is the PLR, go to the Google and search for the PLR products meaning. PLR articles are relatively new tests on content building. Private label rights are the special type of right or license which you can purchase where you are legally allowed to edit or publish the article as your own. You are purchasing the rights of these books that you can resell them. Okay, let's check out. It says I will give you 200 self-help ebooks with resale rights. Okay, you can get the 200 books for just $5, just $5. You can invest and you can get 200 books. Okay, when you get the book, you come to this platform and sign in and upload your books. Okay, to this platform, and if you it will take a little bit of time, up to 2 months to 3 months. Okay, don't upload certainly all of the books at once. Okay, upload one book and then the next second book, third book, and if you upload up to the 50 books, and after that you will be able to make at least $100 to $200 a day. Okay, because the Amazon will sell your books at their own website, on amazon.com. Let's check out self help books. Okay, books for man. If you check out this and self okay, we will choose KDP. Okay, these all books are self-published. Okay, self-published, and these are making hundreds of dollars daily. Okay, how to change your mind. Okay, this book is these all books are self-published, okay, and you can make the similar way the money. So please check out the first link below in the description. It's a 4-day free training, and thanks for watching.